rich culture, history, and natural beauty. You can find all of them in one place, Bangladesh. I'm not kidding, this country is a perfect place for vacation, and all you need is a Bangladesh tourist visa. It is usually valid for up to 3 months, so you'll have plenty of time to go around. I'm Max from the Visa Library, and in this video I want to tell you how to get a Bangladeshi tourist visa. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and let's go. Step 1. Determine your eligibility. We have two types of visas. Number 1, Visa on Arrival or VoA. It is for citizens from specific countries. Eligible countries include most European Union countries, the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Russia, and some countries in the Middle East and Southern Asia. Number 2, pre-arranged visa. If you don't qualify for a VoA, you must apply for a pre-arranged tourist visa. Basically, you need to apply for them at any Bangladeshi embassy or consulate. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you how. Step 2, prepare required documents. You need to gather many documents for both the Visa on Arrival and pre-arranged visa. Let's look at them. Number 1, a completed visa application form. For a Visa on Arrival, you need to fill out the visa application form when you arrived at the airport in Bangladesh. For a pre-arranged visa, you need to complete the online visa application form at the official visa portal or obtain the form from the nearest Bangladeshi embassy or consulate. Number 2, your passport. It must be valid for at least 6 months beyond the intended date of a stay in Bangladesh. Make sure your passport has at least 2 blank pages available for visa stamping and entry or exit stamps. Number 3, 2 recent passport size photos, usually 2 by 2 inches, with a plain white background. Photos must be high quality, no filters, neutral facial expressions, and full face must be visible. Number 4, proof of travel. You need a copy of your confirmed return or onward travel ticket to show you plan to leave the country. Number 5, proof of accommodation like hotel reservations, which is covering the duration of your trip. If you're staying with your family or friends, you need an invitation letter from your host in Bangladesh. It must include their contact details and address. Number 6, financial proof. You can use recent bank statements or other financial documents to show you have enough funds to cover your expenses. You better have at least $500 in available funds, but the specific amount may vary depending on the duration of your stay. There's another option. You may show a credit card statement or a financial guarantee letter from a sponsor if you cannot provide personal bank statements. Step 3, apply for the visa. First, let's talk about the Visa on Arrival or VoA. When you arrive in Bangladesh, go to one of the designated entry points. These places include these ones here. One thing, only certain land borders and seaports offer Visa on Arrival services, so verify the eligibility if entering by land or sea. At the airport, find the Visa on Arrival counter. It's usually near the immigration area. At the counter, get a Visa on Arrival application form. Fill it out with essential details such as your full name, passport number, nationality, intended length of a stay, travel purpose, and address in Bangladesh. Next, you need to submit your documents. Then, pay the visa fee for about $51. The actual fee varies depending on your nationality and is typically paid in cash because some VoA counters may not accept credit cards. After you pay, you'll get a receipt which you must keep safe as proof. The immigration officer will review your application. This can take 15 to 30 minutes. The officer may also ask some questions about your travel purpose, intended activities, or connections in Bangladesh. If everything is okay, you will get the Visa on Arrival stamped directly into your passport. Check the date and duration of the visa to make sure there are no errors. After obtaining the VoA, head to the main immigration area to complete entry processing. Present your passport, newly issued visa, and other required documents as requested by immigration officers, and you're good to go. Okay, let's talk about the prearranged Bangladeshi tourist visa process. First, find the nearest Bangladesh embassy, consulate, or high commission. Next, download the tourist visa application form from the embassy's website or get it physically from the embassy itself. Fill out the form accurately. Include your personal details such as your full name, nationality, passport number, travel purpose, and intended stay duration in Bangladesh. Ensure that all details on the form align precisely with your passport and travel information, as inaccuracies may delay the process. So be careful. Next, you need to go and gather the required documents I told you earlier. Next, you need to visit the embassy or consulate in person or send your completed application package by mail if the embassy offers this option. Embassy staff will review your documents for accuracy and completeness. You also have to pay the visa fee as instructed by the embassy. The fees for a Bangladeshi tourist visa vary depending on your nationality, the type of visa, and the number of entries, single, double, or multiple. After you pay, keep the payment receipt for your records. Now, you have to wait for processing. It usually takes 7 to 10 business days, but it can be longer. Some embassies offer expedited services for an additional fee, but it's not really necessary. Just apply well in advance of your travel dates. Once your application is approved, you'll be notified to collect your passport with the visa attached to it, or it'll be mailed to you if you chose that option. When you receive your passport, review the details such as entry date and validity to ensure they match your travel plans. Typically, tourist visas allow a stay of 30 to 90 days. With your visa secured, you can travel to the country. Keep your passport, visa, and a copy of your application documents on hand for presentation at immigration when entering Bangladesh. And that was it. Hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you need guidance, use our free consultation service or contact our social media accounts. All links are in the description. Thank you all for watching.